Time to clean up Soleil.
I'm sorry, Soleil. We gotta do your boots. Soleil.
Alright, let me regrip. Come on, sunshine. Paula, you don't need to make the baby sounds. You're so good, Soleil. Well, flat is still gonna, you have to make it like an angle.
What are you talking about? Yeah, we're angling it.
Yeah, it's still, that top is still getting it.
That, tongue out of the way. That's better. We're gonna have to do your stretchies some more. Clean this bottom up real quick.
It's closing better.
Yeah, it could be better, but we'll allow it for today, Soleil, especially since we have to do your toes. Your tip is fine. Alright, but we do have to do your toes, babe. Now the patented toe technique.
We're almost there, Soleil.
Do you want to adjust your grip, or...?
If you think I'll need to grab her neck, I could.
With the flashlight and the glasses, you can see the quick, which makes this a lot easier. I actually need glasses that aren't quite as dark.
Oh, look at that, Soleil. Alright, you're doing so good.
Now, did that actually almost hurt, or were you just...
You were just a little startled?
No, we missed the quick, because I can see the quick.
You're doing so good, Soleil.
I might need a slightly stronger flashlight, but... If I...
Oh. I got it. Never mind. Oh, I know. I got your feathers all messed up.
Where were we? Yeah, on this toe, we'll go over to the big toe.
It's all good, sunshine. Oh.
I don't know about that. Soleil, that's not your quick.
Soleil tends not to cap. Ophelia is all about, screaming bloody murder at being inconvenienced.
We'll just get it down with it. Yeah, see? I knew you were full of crap. Alright, Soleil. Well... Yeah, I just gotta have to ignore you.
We have Soleil.
So,
Oh, what are you doing?
Oh, it's his wife.
Yeah, we're being, see, look how nice we are to her.
It's like the useless husband who's like, oh, is she gonna be okay? Let me
She'll be okay.
Let me see.
Apollo, you're a little distracting, but... You're making me double check, Soleil, but no, that didn't hurt. You just didn't, like... Yeah, that's fine.
Ouch!
You're supposed to...
Can you take, like, the meaty part of my thumb?
I just want her beak closed.
Oh.
She's just wincing. It doesn't actually hurt. I haven't missed yet.
You're doing so good, Soleil. The vet says she's fabulous. Oh, Soleil, you need to get your other foot out of the mechanism. Grab the foot, grab the bird. Apollo. Man's gonna eat an emerald.
Okay, that one's good. We have 2 toes left on this side. No, 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 no. Oh, Apollo! You do that again, you're gonna have to go back.
Oh, you poor baby. Soil.
Alright, well, we can call that one Soleil, even though it could be a little closer. There you go, babe. Alright, you can go get your snack.
Go get her a snack. Go get my sunshine a
And then
You
you're
go
gonna
get
have
my
to get
sunshine a
Ophelia.
snack. You're the crybaby. You're the one who's gonna cry about it. Be upset if you ripped a hole in those pants. Well, I gotta get your grip right. Alright, we're doing
We'll
the
do
beaky.
the beak first.
You can see all the veins and stuff. It's kind of weird.
Oh, yeah, that's the... Basically, too, that...
Yeah, see, Soleil's encouraging you. It kind of sucks, but it won't be long. Look at that.
Alright, we'll do the rest with the Dremel Ophelia.
Yeah, it's a little rough. I know, the crybaby. Oh, let me get that foot.
Yeah, you want to, like, actually restrain him.
Well, you know. I know, you're such a baby. Such a crybaby. She will, like, scream bloody murder over any small inconvenience. So, she's gonna be a real wimp about it. That's okay. She baby. I know, you're a big baby. It's okay.
You know, you make it hard to tell if you're actually hurting.
I know.
Okay, that's just about in spec. But, Ophelia...
Yeah, see, now it's just like
now
a
I know
loose
you're
grass.
not eating me.
She's just upsetty. You're just upsetty spaghetti. Yes. Yes, sweet pea. Come on, baby girl. Let's get these. Yeah,
Oh,
I
well,
know.
you have 2 less toes to
I know.
break.
You put my thumb in your beak. You can bite. You can bite me as hard as you want, baby.
You sure about that?
Well, as hard as she wants is actually not that hard. Like, she, like, again, cries absolute bloody murder, but...
You're just the cloth for her to bite into, right?
Yeah, yeah. Like, we're not hurting her, but like we said, Ophelia's a big, big crybaby. Like, I don't even have any pressure on her at all. Like, she's just laying back. Dalton's got nothing but her
I'll
foot.
finish this with the Dremel.
The thumb in the beak, and she's just crying. Yeah, see? I got you, baby.
I wish you knew that you're making it take longer.
She's, you know, she's the baby. She's the baby. I know. Yeah. Yeah, that tickled your face a little, didn't it?
Okay, you know this is better than at the vet, right? You get way more upset at the vet, and you have to drive all the way back, and all the way back. Ow, that hurt my ear. Ow, that really hurt my ear.
There you get. Grab the bird. Grab her. Grab the bird. I know. You can bite the flashlight all you want.
You've got like little, interesting black specks in there.
You're a baby. I know. Oh, give me that. Give me that beak.
I'll double check, but no, it's definitely not.
It's okay.
No way. No way. Ophelia, you're just capping. Yeah, you were just capping.
See, babe? Just fine. I know, baby. You learn how to swim? Nope, not at all.
Definitely way too long.
Yeah, the rear ones in that spot tend to get too long. What? We got maybe 2 more, if even.
It's too much.
See? You didn't even cry about that one. See, like, when you hear the actual snap, like, she's just like, huh, wonder what that sound was. Baby!
Alright, that one I could still take some off, but we'll let it be. Right. There you go, Ophelia. Oh.
Give me, no, my baby. Alright, you take your turn and then give her up. Don't bite.
This is a lot better than going to the vet.
Oh, baby.
They are much less scared.
Oh, baby.
It doesn't harm them unless we hit the quick. The beak is constantly growing, and Ophelia does not chew properly to keep her top beak worn down. She also seems to grow faster than Soleil, and the toenails, when they get too long, need to be trimmed.